Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen on this cold, icy day. May God bless each and every one of you, wherever you may be. I am blessed, and I know everyone else should be blessed. If you're not blessed, just ask God to bless you, and He will. So I'm coming to you this morning. I'm going to read my scripture, and I'm taking it from, I'm going to take it from Genesis 2 and 3. The gods blessed the seventh day and made it holy because on it he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. Then God blessed the seventh day and made it holy because on it he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. Genesis 2 and 3. I bring you this verse on this day, and this is one that I have chosen. For whatever reason, there is someone needs to know this. And I hope that this scripture will bless someone today, tomorrow, next week, next year, whenever it comes to you. And whatever you need, you know that we were to rest. And the seventh day was a day that we should take the advantage of knowing the resting, but knowing that God made it 7 days and 1 day for rest. So I give this to you and everyone that's there that needs to know this. But rest in the hands of God, not just on your bed because you want to. I love you all, and may you all be blessed in this day, on this day of 25th day, the 26th day of the 26th of 2026. Thank you so much, and God bless you, and to all of you all, a happy new year anyway that I have not been able to talk to. I have been off several days, and I have not been feeling well, but so far, God has blessing, and He given me the strength to come back on and make you a few videos. So may God bless each and every one. So this morning, I'm back with you all now. In this pot, I have turkey necks and a turkey leg. And these have quite a few much meat in it, on the turkey necks rather. I have 2 pounds of pinto beans that I'm putting in also. And I'm going to go ahead on and put my 2 pounds of, I've already washed them and everything. And I'm putting them in the Instant Pot, of course. I didn't want them to cook too long today because I wasn't sure whether we would have power or not. Okay, so now I have about 4 pods of garlic. Cut up in here. I have 1 can of Rotel, mild flavor. Well, I don't know what it's original one. Okay. I'm going to stir that around here. In here, I have bell peppers. I'm not going to use all of them. I have bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, and onions, and I have the garlic already in there, so I'm not going to be putting that in. Green bell peppers. I'm going to use maybe half of them. With my chopped up onions, okay. Always. Okay. Now in here, I have, okay, this is paprika. I'm going to be adding the paprika. Chili powder. You can put as much as you would like in it. I don't know. I kind of just simmer it down with what I have here. All right. In here I have onion powder, garlic powder, and I also have chicken bouillon, and I also have my complete. I have all of these in here already in this cup. A little more onion powder. Normally the turkey legs will season them out quite well with the turkey necks.
Just the bottled water, y'all, not tap water.
Okay. I'll put just a little bit more paprika in them. Okay. Also. So now this should take care of them. And I may put a little bit of sometimes I put a little bit of honey in it. It helps to add to the flavor. Let me get the honey, just put just a little bit in here. Add a whole lot. I'm just adding a little bit. This spoon would probably be like a heaping tablespoon. Okay. I think this should do.
And that's honey, y'all.
Honey. Okay, I'm going to put them on like for 58 minutes because of the, and I'm going to fill the pot with a little bit more water because the beans,
and if they're cooking it on the stove, because everybody don't have Instant Pot, how long should they cook it on the stove?
It'll take longer now because I didn't cook the, okay. If you're going to cook them in an Instant Pot, it usually take about an hour. But if you're going to cook them in just a regular pot on the stove, it may take you about 3 hours and less. Now, it depends on, like I said, I have 2 pounds of pinto beans here. But if you're only cooking 1 pound, it might take less than that amount of time. You may be able to get by with 2 hours. But you're going to have to cook. Everybody's stoves are different. Some have gas, some have electric, and some have butane. So it's kind of hard for me to tell you. But when the bean began to get soft, this is when you're knowing that want to just take one of them out and see if it's going to be getting soft for you. But normally, 1 pound of beans, it doesn't take about maybe an hour and a half. If you got 2 pounds in there, it may take 2 hours. But if the beans are harder, sometimes the beans are in the store and it takes them longer because they're older. So you have to just touch them for yourself and see if the bean is going to be soft and tender. And if it is, it's ready, because sometimes they may cook a little sooner. And that's, I don't know how to adjust. I'm just telling you. But I will be cooking these and I'm not for sure. Since I have 2 pounds in here, I'm thinking I'm going to put it on about 60 minutes. And I'll bring them out and let you see them at 60 minutes in the Instant Pot. Now, if the beans are older, it may take them a little bit longer. But I'm going to let you see them when I bring them out at 60 minutes. So I'm putting them in right now. And I'm going to put the pot on 60 minutes.
All right, y'all. We'll be back once the beans are cooked.
Okay, hello, everyone. I'm back with the final presentation of my pinto beans. I had cooked 2 pounds of pinto beans. And I wanted to know how to cook them. And I cooked them in a little bit of turkey necks, turkey legs. Also with onions, bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, hot bell peppers, also paprika, chili powder, and all kind of garlic powder, onion powder, and just about everything that I have for my seasoning that I usually use in everything that I cook right now. So this is the final touches of it, and it's very good. And I've already eaten my dinner because I was full and I had to do it earlier. But they are delicious. So, and also you can put in there just a little bit of honey also. It depends if you want to change the taste of it. Just kind of taste it according to your own taste. And then with the onions also was in there. And I can't think of anything else, but just about everything that I usually use in all my beans or greens like that. That's what's in these pinto beans. And like I said, turkey necks and turkey legs. So it is very well seasoned, and they are very, very good. And they are off the chain, darling. Please believe me. I'm just so full I cannot eat anymore right now. I even taste it. But I hope you will enjoy them. You saw what I put in them when I put them on. And I let these cook for about 1 hour, and they did get done. So if you're cooking them and not cooking them in the Instant Pot, you can also put, I'm telling you, if you're just going to cook 1 pound, and you can probably cook 1 pound in an hour and a half. It depends. If they're not soft and not tender, let them cook a little bit longer and just kind of push them in, and you'll know when they get done. So thank you all so much. With all my love, this is Miss Lena's Kitchen from pinto beans, or they may call them red beans or whatever you would like to call them. But this is a wonderful day because this is one of our icy days in this year, 2026. And this is a beautiful day for chili beans, chili pinto beans, or whatever you would like, and cornbread. So thank you, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye now. Love you all. Goodbye now. We'll see you again later. In the next video, please look out for the next one. And I hope you all are not iced in too bad. The Lord is my shepherd, and I shall not want. So thank you. Bye-bye. And I love you all. We'll see you again later. Bye-bye.